In this video, we will introduce the prep for 3V0-24.25 Advanced VMware Cloud Foundation 9.0 vSphere Kubernetes Service. 3V0-24.25 Exam Information. Key exam sections. Exam preparation tips for success. 1. An organization needs rapid application scaling, lightweight runtime environments, and CI/CD pipeline integration. Persistent OS-level customization is not required. Which compute model should the architect recommend? A. Traditional vSphere VMs. B. Supervisor pods. C. VM service-based Kubernetes nodes. D. Nested SCHI. 2. When deploying VKS in a multi-zone architecture requiring isolation, scalable networking, and cloud-like constructs, which networking model is most appropriate? A. vSphere Distributed Switch, VDS. B. NSX segments. C. NSX VPCs. D. Standard port groups. 3. A VKS cluster fails during provisioning due to networking errors. What should be checked first? A. VM class definitions. B. Namespace quotas. C. NSX segments, VPC connectivity and IP pools. D. Helm chart versions. 4. How does VKS integrate vSphere storage with Kubernetes persistent volumes? A. Static VMFS volumes only. B. vSphere storage policies mapped to Kubernetes storage classes. C. NFS exports manually mounted. D. ISCSI volumes created per pod. 5. Which authentication method allows centralized enterprise identity management for VKS clusters? A. Kubernetes Service accounts. B. vCenter local users. C. External identity providers, OIDC, LDAP. D. Static kubeconfig files. 6. An organization operates in an air-gapped environment. How should Kubernetes releases be managed for VKS clusters? A. Direct Internet synchronization. B. Subscribed content libraries only. C. Local content libraries with manual updates. D. GitHub-based repositories. 7. What is a direct consequence of undersizing the AVI load balancer for a supervisor cluster? A. Reduced VM storage performance. B. Namespace creation failures. C. Limited ingress services and scalability. D. Content library sync errors. 8. What is the correct high-level sequence to enable a supervisor cluster? A. Create namespaces right pointing arrow, install AVI right pointing arrow, configure NSX. B. Configure networking right pointing arrow, deploy load balancer right pointing arrow, enable supervisor. C. Enable supervisor right pointing arrow, configure storage right pointing arrow, deploy NSX. D. Install Harbor right pointing arrow. Enable supervisor right pointing arrow. Configure zones. 9. Which tools can be used to provision and manage VKS clusters? A. vSphere client only. B. kubectl and VCF CLI. C. Power CLI exclusively. D. SC shell commands. 10. Which tool is recommended for backing up Kubernetes workloads and persistent volumes in VKS? A. vSphere replication. B. Valera with external object storage. C. Storage vMotion. D. NSX backup. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe Passert for more IT exam prep.